Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to lock a note. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Evernote does not currently offer a built-in feature to directly lock individual notes. Alright, but of course we're going to explore some workarounds to add security to your notes here in this platform. So, I want you to go to the notebooks that you are working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the Deep Laughs notebook where it has my note here. Now, one of the options that you can use is, for example, this note. You wanted to share this to specific people. Say, for example, if we're working with multiple freelancers, maybe I'm working with a team or in a collaborative environment where you don't want someone messing it accidentally. All right. You see this option right here that says copy link to the board, right? You copy that link to the board, and then before that, there should be a three dots icon on the top right corner. See this? If you click on it, there should be an option that says share note. Now, the thing is, you need to put all the people that you wanted to share this specific note. For example, your client, your team members, enter their name or email. You see there is a drop down menu here that gives them the permission level and access. You might want to choose can view only. All right, that means they can never do something about it. You can just view it. They can't edit. They can accidentally delete the specific note that you want to share with them for collaboration. And there is another option here that says if you want to restrict this, people with access, all right, you can put in only you. All right, you can put in that as another added security to kind of like simulate a lock effect for your note. Now, on the general access, anyone with the link can view. You can also hover down to your wherein click the restricted. No one now can see or view or manipulate the note here on Evernote, this platform. That means you're locking it for nobody else, just you, right? And click on the copy link or click on share. That's one way. Now, another option that you can do is to use a password. We have a separate video on how to change the password here in Evernote. So all you have to do is go to the upper left corner. Sorry, click the settings. There is an option here that says passcode. All you have to do is require a passcode. All right, remember, if you're sharing this device for someone else, like for example, this Evernote that is installed in a mobile device that is being shared with your team members, collaborator, if you're a part of a team in a specific project or a company, you might want to click the require password. What will happen is if you click that, it would ask you a password. All I have to do is type the password in, retype it, and make sure that the characters are unique so no one would know it. But the thing is, you can't see anything, right, on my screen because it is one of the added security features. I'm just gonna unlock the require password so you guys can see it. So these are some of the options for you to lock or kind of like simulate a lock effect on Evernote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.